In this week's edition of A Ray of Hope, we highlight the strategy counselors at the Victim Services Division have been using. Here's Kian Morgan.
When you have an emotional scar, it never goes away.
For staff at the Victim Services Division, getting one's life back on track is their priority. Age is not a factor, as long as an individual has been exposed to some form of emotional or physical trauma. A team of counselors, social workers, and psychologists will help. The division specializes in offering emotional support, assessment, intervention, and mediation services, among others. Director Osborne Bailey says the aim is to include victims of crime in the justice process.
Say a person was murdered and a child who is associated to the victim seem happy. You as a parent might not be able to readily identify the need, but our skills would cause us to know if we get a chance to talk to that child.
What started out as a 6-month program blossomed into a division with a unit in every parish. Annually, the division provides over 13,000 counseling sessions to victims of murder, rape, and domestic violence, among others. However, the main target group is children.
We take children from inner city who live in crime to really immerse them out of their community in what is called a massive counseling context, where we literally for a day try to reorient their minds to what is normal and what is not.
To a child, this is a toy, but to a counselor, this is a tool. A tool used to translate the level of trauma a child is experiencing, but is unable to express.
It allows for them to project the feelings in such a way that the professional counselor can understand that a child would not have been able to explain using their own words.
Short animated films are used to educate children about their rights and how to identify bad situations.
The color, the movements, the characters can actually convey an adult message to small children.
The service, which is free and confidential, also provides support to people having a hard time coping with everyday life. And despite the emergence of COVID-19, Mr. Bailey says the division has managed to transition all its services online and via phone. With a ray of hope, I'm Kian Morgan.